He lived in the mystic space where thought is born and will is nursed by an ethereal power and fed on the white milk with eternal sustenance till it grows into the likeness of a god. Yes, the seer is now born within. He lives in a mystic space where is born thought. He lives in a mystic space where will is shaped by high power. He lives in a mystic space where strength comes from the eternal himself. His thought and will and strength can grow in the likeness of the strength and will and thought of a god, luminous and heroic in the heroism of Vishnu. Vishnu, the conqueror of the three worlds, three Vikrama. He owns now the house of the undivided time. He is the master of all the three divisions of time, past, present, future. They are in his possession. He is now that events shape themselves in his will. Events shape themselves in his will. A vision comes from the higher realms. So also comes a consciousness of the brighter spaces. So also come movements in the force of the superconscient force. So also comes joy never experienced by the mortal limbs. These are now his. They are in his possession. The sense of separation that comes because the senses is now no more there. All grows into a single embrace. Marvelous shades of beauty and hues, celestial fragrances, sweetnesses sweeter than the sweetness of honey, tasted with the tongues of the honey fire, cadences and sounds heard by the occult ear crowd him in their agreeable presences. Thought is not born in the brain. Thought comes to him from the luminous cosmic field. Thought is received in a purity when the mind becomes silent. It is received in its purity when the mind falls silent. A power to uplift the world comes into his possession. Thought mind surveys the vast act. Inner sight opens out, and the coming of the new and the unknown is seen. What had remained hidden and invisible comes into view. The voice of the word that knows is heard. The secrets that lie hidden within and outside get revealed. That is the birth of the seer within. That birth has taken place within. Ashwapati has him, the seer within him now. The seer is born in the soul of Ashwapati.